So I wanted to share this little video with you guys. This is my new Gorilla cart I got. Now this video was made actually a few months ago, so you've probably already seen this in videos, but I just wanted to kind of share just kind of a quick video on putting it together. I've sped up quite a bit of this since it was so mundane. I'll kind of be popping in and out and explaining a few things throughout the video, but other than that, enjoy. Very, very important to always read the instructions. Now the thing was it was actually packaged very well, and because I didn't read the instructions closely and I got excited about actually putting it together, I did have to end up redoing a couple of things. My little wifey decided to stop in and see what was going on, so I stopped recording to chit-chat with her for a minute. This is kind of the assembly process that I sped up here. It was really straightforward. It kind of stank. I just had to use crescent wrenches to put it together. I wanted to. You might have seen me looking for a proper impact socket, but it just didn't work out that way. We had to go the old-fashioned route, but I'm okay with that. Now, something I'd like to point out really quick, I read a lot of bad reviews about this cart, that it rusted immediately, not even getting wet, just sitting outside, the humidity. Oh, there's the impact. But I'm not finding this to be the case. This cart has been outside for a few months now, and I do keep it under a covered patio, but I've had my palm trees in this. I've watered my palm trees in this for a week or two at a time, and I honestly don't have not one drop of rust on this cart so far. I've been very, very impressed with it. Now these side latches, as you're going to see in a minute, they were probably the most difficult thing for me to figure out. And honestly, they're idiot proof, but apparently today I was more than an idiot, because once I figured it out, it was very, very simple, but just took some thinking. These latches right here. And now we finally get to see the beast all put together. I have hauled so many loads of wood back and forth in this thing already. And the one thing I did notice is it says it can hold up to 1,000 pounds. And I think I've had more than that in it, but when you load that thing with wood or anything and get it on a hill, oh boy, have some help, because you could put enough in there to drag you down the hill for sure. Yeah, so here we're getting some wood loaded up. Got to get it moved over to the IBC tote over there, and really you could just as quickly just do this all by hand. But I got a new cart and I wanted to play with it, so I'm using the cart to see how it does. And I decided to speed it up a little bit again here. Just, who wants to watch somebody stacking wood, right? So like I said, I just wanted to share this little video. That's the end of it there, and I'm really enjoying this car. I don't remember when I think I spent $150 on it, something like that. Got it at the local Big Blue store. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.